If your washing machine suddenly won't spin or drain, you may not need professional service. A quick factory reset can clear many common washer issues and restore normal operation in just a few minutes. This reset procedure applies to Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, Roper, and Maytag washers and requires no tools or repair experience. If the reset does not fix the problem, check the linked video that explains washer error codes and next steps. Factory reset instructions. Step 1. Turn the washer off and rotate the control dial counterclockwise. 1 complete rotation. Step 2. Within 6 seconds, turn the dial 3 clicks to the right, 1 click to the left, then 1 click back to the right. Flashing indicator lights show diagnostic mode is active. Step 3. While the lights are flashing, turn the dial 4 more clicks to the right and press the start button. Step 4. Allow several minutes for the reset to finish. If the washer powers down and the lid unlocks, the reset worked.